This is Congressman French Hill. During this COVID-19 pandemic, I want to stop and say thanks to our construction workers and our manufacturing workers who get up every morning, work long hours to maintain the infrastructure that we need, to build the buildings that are essential to our economic future, and to work on that manufacturing line that keeps our great American economy humming. Thank you. Thank you for the efforts. Thanks for putting your own health at risk by getting up and performing this essential service to our country. God bless you and God bless your family. And please, if there's something that we can do for you during this pandemic, reach out at Hill.House.gov.